Welcome to the Finance Club DMS RIT. My name is Priya Pawar and today we will see the important activities of trading, which is IPO, Initial Public Offering. In the last blog, we have seen how the companies goes through the scrutiny of SEBI and how they can raise the funds from the primary market with the help of a banker. While applying for IPO, they need to consider all the aspects mentioned in the draft red hearing prospect, so we can able to understand the business model and the future projection of that company for the long-term investment. Consider, if you get allotted a share in your portfolio, you will get notified by the broker. If you apply individually, then you will get notification with a text message on your registered mobile number, or you can check it on on the company's website. Once you get confirmation, you need to check the actual share available on the Demat account. Once company completes the allotment, they declare the listing date on the NSE, BSE or a specific exchange. In the previous days, listing date used to be at 10 a.m. but nowadays this time shifted to at 10 a.m. In this listing process, share will enter from primary market to the secondary market. List price will also have a pre-open session. Then exactly at 10 a.m. trading will get started in the secondary market. Many of us are interested in the listing gain of the stock in the stock market. If the stock price is showing outer performance on the listing date, then it is better to book a profit on the same day, because profit booking can impact the listing gain. Sometimes, depending upon the market conditions, stock can be get listed less than the IPO price band. Once stock entered in the secondary market, then anyone can buy or sell the stocks in the pre-market with the help of a broker for the intraday trading. Afterward, company has to submit the audited document to the SEBI about everything for the investor safety. After listing of the IPO, companies can outperform or underperform depending upon the mood of the market, but always have to track the mood and the need to good entry or exit. Following are the listing companies in 2021. Zomato current gain is 79.08. GR Infra current gain is 107.08. Clean Science current gain is 88.82. For more information, check the link in the description box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.